Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Nice painting. Nice painting in the wall. See, you have a nice painting in the wall. I just buy something in the Lulu. I try to use my tab if it's working. It's very long time I did na use my tabby. See, I need to buy personal things for me in Lulu. Yes.